Most philodendrons don't die from lack of care. They die because people treat them like normal houseplants. One wrong habit quietly rots the roots before you even see yellow leaves. And here's something most people don't know. Almost all philodendron care is the same. Only climbing and non-climbing types behave slightly differently. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how philodendrons want to grow based on how they survive in nature. Why philodendrons are easy. Philodendrons are tropical aeroids, not soil plants. In the wild, they climb trees, breathe through roots, and grow under filtered light. So if you copy forest conditions, philodendron care becomes almost effortless. Light, the biggest growth decider. Philodendrons are adapted to canopy light, not direct sun. Bright indirect light gives faster leaf production, larger leaves, shorter node spacing. Low light won't kill them fast, but it slowly weakens the plant. Best spot near an east window or filtered south light, never harsh afternoon sun. And this next part decides whether your plant survives or not. Watering. Why overwatering kills silently. Philodendron roots need oxygen first, water second. Water only when the almost top 30% soil dries. Constant moisture blocks oxygen. Roots rot, plant collapses later. Always water deeply, let excess drain fully, and never leave water in the tray. Soil. This is where most beginners fail. Normal potting soil is too dense. Philodendrons need air pockets, not wet mud. Here's the best beginner mix. Mix coco peat, perlite, bark chips, and compost. Chunky soil keeps roots healthy, that boosts faster growth. Humidity and temperature. Ideal humidity is 50 to 70%, but philodendrons adapt well indoors. Low humidity only reduces leaf size, it doesn't kill the plant. Temperature sweet spot 18 to 30 degrees Celsius, but it can tolerate a little high or low. Cold air slows root activity and causes yellow leaves. Fertilizer. Less is more. Philodendrons are light feeders. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer at half strength every 2 to 3 weeks. Overfeeding causes salt buildup, damaging roots long before leaves show symptoms. And here are top 5 mistakes to avoid. Watering on a fixed schedule, compact soil without aeration, dark corners, oversized pots, heavy fertilizer doses. Fix these and philodendrons become nearly unkillable. Philodendrons don't need attention, they need correct conditions. Light, air, and drainage decide everything. Comment which philodendron you own and I'll make a care video just for that variety. Hope you liked the information, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.